Hi everybody, I'm Willie from SuperGIS. This video will show you how to publish a web service that you can edit your data from web interface, and you can also edit your data with your desktop. That means you can use the SuperGIS Desktop to edit the data from SuperGIS Server. Okay. Here now, this is the data from desktop. This is point, and each sign means different data. This is the polygons. Later on, I will publish this service as a feature service. That means you can edit from the website. So I prepare the point, polygon, and 2 images, and then I save as a document. So I put in the E drive web edit. The name is 1.sgd SuperGIS document. Okay. And next I need to add one service, a server service. So I use a SuperGIS servers. And I use a SuperGIS server manager. Yeah. This is a web base, so first you need to log in. This is manager, so I publish my map as a GIS service. This is a existing service. I can also publish a new service. Okay, this is my web edit 1. And this is a document location. You have to put the full path, like E drive web edit 1.sgd. Yeah, to confirm this, we go to the folder to make sure your document is in the right place. Yeah, web edit 1.sgd. Okay. So this is service I want to publish. Then once you have this service, you click it, then it blank as a yellow bar. Then use a config to set up more advanced functions. In the second button, editing, I use a feature service. Editable layers, I can select lines. This is a point layer and one polygon layer, one area. The tools are image layers. You don't have to activate feature service. Okay, now you click OK. Now you have already published web edit service. Okay, now so we want to implement the function. We need a website, so we go back to home, select create my GIS web application. Okay, this is first template ultra. Next, we use a web edit as a name. And select the service. Okay, web edit 1, 2, 3. And here, remember to check out use feature service. Okay, This is additional function. You have an edit tool to add point, line, and polygon. Then you click next. And click finish to finalize the setup process. And now you can check on the website. You just type your IP, virtual name, and first page map edit. So here is the website you can edit from the internet. This is the Chrome browser, so you can zoom in a little bit. This is a polygon already published. And before you edit, you have to select the target layer. You can see here, this is a point, this is polygon. Before you edit, you have to select which layer you want to edit. Suppose I want to edit polygon, so I select one area and use edit. Click on the polygons, and here you can edit the vertex, inward or outward, okay, or add more vertex to move the shape. Okay, and you can update. Here the shape is changed. Suppose I want to add point layer, okay, point data. I select the target as signs and use this tool to add new features. Like I want to add a warning sign beside a square, so I select a square. I move right hand side, so and I click add point from here. Okay, then type the attribute. Okay, this is a new point data on the map here. If you want to move the point location, you can use this edit tool to select and move, drag to the new locations and drop. Update. Okay, the point is moved. So this is a very simple process from desktop to publish. All the thing you need to do is design your symbol like a point. You have 4 categories, 4 classes. You have construction, rockfall, bird, and squirrel, and give them each different symbol. As for the polygon, you design your like empty field, no field polygon. Use a purpose colors, and you publish. Once you publish, you can edit and access your data from internet and use the edit tool like add features, edit features. So your team member or your user, your client can access the data from the internet. Like this one, I go back to polygon, then I add one more new polygon here. Okay, there's a new polygon I want to edit, and double click here. So this is the whole process about web editing. I hope you like this process. You have to install the additional software. This is a SuperGIS Server Desktop client. Okay, this client can help you to connect the data from SuperGIS Server. Okay, remember to download it from SuperGeotech website. First, we use the server configuration. Okay, this is the server. I select the service. This is a web edit 1. This is service name. I can preview it. So see, this is the content I just publish with from SuperGIS server. Now I add layer here. So now in the desktop, I can see my data from SuperGIS server, point, polygon, and images. But now I still cannot edit because we haven't activate the edit function. To activate the edit function, you can move here. This is the service name, the layer. You right click, select edit features, and you have two options. You can create local copy for editing or synchronize. Of course, now we have an edit, so we select create local copy for editing. Okay, we select both layers, and extend filter is current display all the data. So now I can edit here. This is a copy. This is original. This is a copy layers. Now I start editing. Let's switch you to a point. At one point, add the attribute. Add two more point. Three. And 4. And next 5. So I have add 5 new point with desktop, SuperGIS Desktop. And so now I stop editing. Now all the data is in your local site, haven't yet updated to the server. And now if you want to update the data, this is a server layer here, right click, edit, and use Synchronize. Okay, now this is a new edit point here. We can check out from the website. We just edit for extend here. The new edit point is here. So now I hope you can all understand that SuperGIS Server can publish edit service. You can edit your data from website, and you have already to use functions, edit features, and edit features, add features. You can also edit to do the edit task, the work in desktop. Okay, the difference is in the desktop you need to back up one layers. Once you finish your editing task, you can use Synchronize. Use Synchronize to synchronize your local data to your server. So this is the very simple process for GIS users can access and editing. From general users, you can use the website. For the professional users, they may prefer to use a GIS tool to edit the data, so they can use SuperGIS Desktop. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye bye.